stop it.
Yeah, so I'm going to start using it a little bit more in the videos now. Not too much, but definitely a little bit more. Yeah, so I'm waiting for the 8:34. Because we're going somewhere. You'll see, you'll see. Again, I'm sorry if you can't really hear me that well. It's just that Preston's quite a loud station. I'm also sorry if my editing's a bit choppy. I mean, I'm kind of okay at editing, but there are definitely people who are better, so... Sorry. And this is the point where I make a sudden cut. Ready? Go. We've made it to Barrow. Now, we're going to get another train to Ravenglass. And I think we know what's coming next. I didn't film any of the journey to get to Ravenglass, so let's just go to the station at Ravenglass on the Ravenglass and Eskdale. We've made it. We've made it to Ravenglass. But we've made it to the... Whoops. We made it to the very special Ravenglass station. Because this is what we're doing. Adding a lot of voiceovers here as well. It's just so that I can just explain what's going on. We are now about to depart.
You're like this.
And so the train departs and we make our way to Delagarth for Boot Station. Hi, I just thought I'd say something. Apologies it took me so long to get this video out, but there was a little sort of use of two cameras and I had to reshuffle the footage and I had to get all the voiceovers correctly and everything, so it took a little bit of a while, but I hope the finished product is something you can enjoy. And you never know, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Anyways, back to the video. We are still going. I've just switched cameras. We're still going. We are about 15 minutes out of Ravenglass. So, this is the green. I decided to mute the footage. I don't know why I put this over the top. Just some nice music. Here we are passing the other train just out the green, and the train is still going towards Delagarth. I shall leave it there to enjoy the journey. I did have footage of us arriving into Delagarth. However, I don't know where that went, but we are at Delagarth by stunning with us. So we have reached Delagarth for Boot. So we can see the mighty River Esk getting ready to return to Ravenglass, which I will show you very shortly after we see River Esk running around, getting ready for the return journey. And we are now ready to get off on the Esk and go back to Ravenglass. So as we pass the stunning stream, here's the thing, I accidentally had the phone the wrong way around, so I couldn't take it as we immediately left. However, we are leaving and we are heading towards Ravenglass. Now this is us as we are passing back from the green, and I feel like it's only fitting for our return journey to have a montage with music. Yeah, we departed the green 2 seconds ago and all of a sudden he's moving. So I just want to get this because it's cool. Okay, so I lied. But now it's the real moment. where we actually play music as we travel back to Ravenglass Station. And we've just left Irton Road. Still going. And let me just quickly apologise for the vertical shot here. So when editing this, I realised there were a few vertical shots. I'm just going to apologise for them all right now and get it over and done with. As what's up? Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.